Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Chandigarh will remain joint capital of Punjab, Haryana. Manohar Lal Khattar. President Kovind arrived in Turkmenistan for 3-day visit. Yogi Adityanath ordered drive for women's safety. Activated anti-Romeo squads. PM met Russian Foreign Minister amid pressure to take anti-Moscow stand. Indian astronomers discover new galaxy with ghost-like appearance. Rename Farrukhabad district as Panchal Nagar. BJP MP urge Yogi Adityanath. And now some international news. First audio recorded on Mars reveals 2 speeds of sound after NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars in February last year. Its 2 microphones started recording. World Heritage at risk amid Ukraine war, says UN Cultural Agency. 15-year-old Indian boy creates mobile app to help Ukrainian refugees. Google has added the application on its Play Store and Tejas Ravi Shankar has posted its link. Singapore reopened its borders to international visitors after 2 years. A violent protest erupted near Sri Lanka president's home, act of terrorism, government. And now some sports news. IPL's ticketing partner says crowd capacity increased to 50%. India officially handed rights to host World Chess Olympiad 2022. India has now got the rights to host the biggest chess tournament on the planet. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.